Here, this morning I've got a little tip for anybody who's using compact loaders with hydraulic connections. This is the hydraulic quick fit connection from the Avant faster hydraulic connection. As you can see, as it is at the moment, the hydraulic hoses fall and can catch in this pivot point here. Quick and easy solution to stop that from happening and save you from buying new hoses is to simply undo your quick fit connection like that, spin it over, and now we have a nice control pipe what's not going to get trapped. There we have it, that's the connection from the Avant's quick 360 switch. Thank you.